If you've put a ton of work into building an audience and creating and marketing your product, you deserve a sales page that will actually convert and turn your visitors into customers. In this video, we're going to cover 5 must-have elements for an effective sales page. Let's get into it. Welcome to First Sale to Full Scale, a 10-video series that covers the journey from making your first digital product to running a full-scale online business. In the previous video, we shared strategies for marketing your digital product. Now it's time to sell. In this video, we explained what the sales funnel has to do with sales pages and how to build a sales page that covers each stage of the customer journey. The sales page elements we'll share ahead cover the last 2 stages, decision and action. They'll help your customer make their final decision and make it easier for them to take action and buy your digital product. Let's talk about the first one, call to action. Selling sections can come in many different forms and can be used multiple times throughout your sales page. The most impactful of these is the call to action section. For most sales pages, it's best to have a strong call to action at the very top and at the very bottom of your sales page. If a visitor arrives on your page and is ready to buy, you don't want them to have to scroll through a bunch of info before they click the buy button. So what makes an effective call to action? Use the following. Product title. Your product title should speak to the end result you're creating and for whom. The more specific you can be about the result and who it's for, the more compelling it will be. Subtitle. A subtitle allows you to provide more detail about your product. You can answer questions like, how many people has it helped? What results has it produced? Do you have a special approach or a unique framework? An image, graphic, or video. If you use an image or graphic, make sure it's related to your product. But if you can, make a video. Video is much more engaging, allows you to convey additional information, and gives people a chance to get to know you, which can build your know, like, and trust factor. A purchase button. A purchase button should be easy to spot and make it clear what you want your customer to do. Buy your product. You can also include a promotion or limited time offer to add urgency, but try to keep it as simple as possible so your visitor has no reason to hesitate to click the buy button. Testimonials. Testimonials provide social proof and help visitors experience the results of your product through another person's story. About 3 or 4 solid testimonials is all you need to give your visitor the sense that your product could work for them too. When collecting testimonials, try asking these questions. What problems were you experiencing before you used my product? What made you decide to try my product? How are things different or better after using my product? This will produce a story that visitors can relate to and make them more likely to make the purchase. A product breakdown. This element outlines what your customer will get if they buy your product. For example, if it's a 4-section PDF guide, describe each section. If it's some kind of framework with a checklist, describe both and how they'll work. If it's an online course, lay out the course structure, lesson titles, and delivery method. The more informed your visitor feels about what they'll get when they buy, the easier it'll be for them to make a decision. Frequently asked questions. A frequently asked questions section is a great place to overcome objections and address some specific questions your visitor may need answered before they commit. You might answer questions like, is there a refund policy? When or how will my product be delivered? What happens if you change or update your product in the future? Your visitor may just need that final nudge over the edge to make a purchase, and the frequently asked questions section is frequently a way you can get them to buy. Guarantee. Anytime we buy something, there's a risk that the product won't solve our problem or fully satisfy our needs. If you're willing to take on some of that risk by offering a guarantee, your customer will feel more confident and willing to make a purchase. This is called risk reversal, and a money-back guarantee is one of the most common strategies. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to offering a guarantee. You could do a specific time frame like 60 days, 90 days, or even lifetime. You could do a specific percentage like 50% money back, 75% money back, or even a full refund. Remember that this strategy is about taking on some of the risk so that your visitor feels more confident in making a purchase. So do what feels right for your product. Those were our top 5 most effective elements to build a sales page that converts. And again, check out this video if you want to go even deeper on this topic. In the next video, we'll talk about how to turn your digital download into an online course. Until then, don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any thoughts or questions. If you found this video helpful and you want more content like this, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be sure not to miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.